me tell what father this. Father, oh my me tell. Hey, Father, you bail out on me, Father. Father, you bail out on me. Father, this you bail out on me. Or the nigga who has been real with you from 2007. Father, then. Mubisa Vanessa said, Minya accident. 6 weeks in here. I can make it just say, Mubisa Vanessa, so I fought for part from here. Mubisa Vanessa, so I fought for, and I was testing people say, oh, we never try now, we try it. Yes, she knew I was coming to her. Me go on to my come we are coming here, I don't know. We are no. Who for this thing? Come out of 3-5 billion. Because of themselves, funny is for this man. So to come out of Chester for public to think so here, right? Father, I'm a check. Hey, for this thing. Accident and Moja, the cat, the dentist, remember me, I'm shimming, fair father. I said, Daddy, I mean, whoa. We must not for this guy. Sir, Vanessa, my man, send me money. Because, brother, my baby has seen it too. Maybe a couple, Charlie. Funny first, and your man have tough for mommy. Vanessa, everything close them, remember, bullet it and yum. Hey, before Babini, I own you, me bow. When you me back, who did drop? One of my Mrs. CS, and here, CS near 5,000, let's CS near 1,008. Less than 2,000. Listen to 2,000. One of my Mrs. 55 million. Vanessa, I told you, oh, mommy bill. 10,000, 20,000, 30,000, 300 million. What's the Kalani Yari? Pasia, a Kalani Yari Nama, 300 million. Paracetamol at only 300 million. Code, 300 million. Mamma, tell what Vanessa. What does mean? I got me, both me, Vanessa, to get me a difference. But back to Father this. Mamma, tell Father this. You bail out on me. A poor Father this. Father, me I'm ready to die, Father. Me I'm ready to die. Father, you bail out on me. Father, me I'm ready to die. Do you know I don't insult Adebayo? Do you know I don't insult Adebayo? Yes, for Adebayo, he gave me the chance, just like you, Father too. You gave me the chance, but you, Father, gave me small chance. No, you bail out on me. But Adebayo, from 2009, I did give him problem. I did give from 2009. I give him problem. He only unfollowed me 2020. Do the math. 11 years. Father, listen. You've known me more than the years Adebayo know me. But Adebayo don't bail out on me. You only unfollow me. You brother, Adebayo for unfollowing me. Fuck you. Adebayo for unfollowing me. A friend stick to a friend, no matter what. You told me I didn't hear. So what? I was going through depression, nigga. Fuck you, Adebayo. Abua. Adebayo is for Father Dixon. Adebayo, you are not Abua, but fuck you. Bolare. One of the foolish, useless people, Bolare. Masia. You Bolare. You know I didn't insult you, or do you know I didn't beat you? Because you never unfollowed me. Bolare, you never unfollowed me. Yeah, you never. That one, I love you for that, Bola. I never unfollowed me. But you know, I work for you in Kasapa FM. I work for you, Star FM. Kasapa 1 year. Star, 1 year. Bola, you know me too well. Yet you sacked me from Kasapa. Bola, hey, me check. Hey, sorry, me is a girl name. Me check count. Check count. Bola pay. Okay, Bola so ni check. Bola utikaka, Bola utikono, Bola utikono. Aduni. Bola utimi share upload yourself. Bola just me. Okay, me check.